Hey everybody, Matthew Duffner, Duffner Farms here, and today I'm working on my Cadet LTX 1040 $100 special. Picked this thing up years ago for $100. One of the best buys I've made in the past few years. It's been really reliable. I mean, it didn't run when I got it, but it's been super simple to work on. But the belts, it throws belts like Gun style. $100 special. The deck specs aren't right. There's people drilled holes. So this one, it takes a 96 inch belt, half inch by 96. I just had put a 97 on it, and it was a little bit too big. It didn't work. I mean, it worked, but then every time I disengaged it, it would throw the belt. So I'm putting the 96 on, taking 96 off, and I'm doing it away so you don't have to undo the engagement cable, the deck engagement cable, because that thing's got a weird cotter pin. It's just a pain in the butt. So you just want to disengage it, take your 2 pins out the back, take your pin out the front, and then you pull it over to the driver's side here. Pull it over the driver's side is where I'm starting right there. So you need a 3/8 drive socket, 3/8 drive socket for this. So I got my impact, DeWalt impact here. And what I'm going to do is on this deck, I'm going to write on this deck, what I like to do, I'm going to do it on the deck and also on the mower itself. I'm going to write 96 inch because it's not, whatever. So a dry spot right there. And just a 9 and a 6 inch and a line underneath. So I guess 96 upside down is 96. So that don't matter. So there's 96, and I'm also going to put it on the inside of the hood here where engine to deck spindle. See, they have your stuff right there, replacement parts, but when it comes to the $100 special, that don't work. So right on the inside here. But yeah, so if you need sizes and stuff, they have part numbers right there on that sticker, but they're not always right. So I'm just going right here. Deck. Deck 96. I've done the transmission belt on this. I don't remember the size. I should have really written that down because it has upper drive belt, lower drive belt, engine to deck belt. See, that don't make sense right there. Upper drive belt, lower drive belt. Yeah, so it's got two, and then engine to deck belt. So this is technically the engine to deck belt. Sorry, you guys are looking at my legs. Got some thunder. So, got my 3/8 drive. Real simple here. Oh. Look at that tripod standing. Whew. 3/8 drive. Impact. I don't have a magnet with me, but it's going to be a quick operation here. Put those up there. This cup holder has holes in it, so you don't want to put it in there. Pop her off. Walk her off. My tensioner. Ow. Okay. That easy. We go to the other side because I don't want to pull that friggin' cable out because that cable's got an annoying cotter pin. There we go. Slid her out enough. Get access to this. There we go. There we go. We should have this belt. I mean, if I didn't have to write that down, could have this belt changed by now pretty much. So, and walk her off the belt. Come on, baby. That thing is sharp. So, there's your 97-inch belt. Going right back to Tractor Supply. Get my full refund. Or trade it in for that. Whatever Tractor Supply's brand here, Husky, double E. There it is right now. Part number 4461321. Okay. And it's pretty simple. I just have my belt go over everything. So We're just gonna feed it in on this side. Okay. And just get it in this tensioner pulley right there. Back side goes to the tensioner pulley. Okay. And then the V goes inside that one. And I'm gonna go pull just a little bit of the slack over here. Just so. Yeah. Just so I can get that shroud back on without it popping off, because the shroud has your little gauges there, which aren't really adjustable, which is odd, but I didn't engineer this thing, so don't get mad at me. And you just want to loosely put one in. I usually loosely put 2 out of the 3, or 1 out of the, you want 2 out of the 3, or 1 out of the 3 loose, sorry. And then, oh, it's way too tight. My impact, oh dang it, that broke down. My impact's got a 1, 2, and 3 power adjustment on it, and with this plastic, you really want to put it on 1 or 2. I had it on 3, so it cracked the plastic there a little bit. Nothing that's going to hurt anything, but okay, so how about the mess out here too? It was clean, and a tornado came and got these little kid balls everywhere. See, these had a whole bunch of these, like a ball pit. Horrible idea. I mean, I loved the ball pit as a kid, my kid, you know, but I had them all in a 55-gallon. I had them all picked up and cleaned, all of them picked up and cleaned. Tornado came and was like, oh, you think you're good, right? And I was like, no, tornado. So this side, we're just gonna feed her in, get it in your tensioner pulley, walk it on there, take your slack off, wham bam. You don't want to tighten it too tight. Keep them loose. So I only have 2 on this side, but there you go. And then we're going to center it back up. Oh, see, that freaking Sharpie. It said made by Sharpie, but it wasn't a normal Sharpie. So I don't know what's going on with that. It just wiped off pretty much. So you want to get it lined up and then lower, relatively lined up. Lower it down. Fight these pins because sometimes they go all cockeye. They go in a little slot. Ain't that bad. I've worked on worse motors and I've worked on better. Oh yeah. Cub Cadet is not my favorite, but $100 special. Let me make sure. I had some wire pop out when I did this. Okay, so that's the back. Now you gotta do your front bar. Okay. If you lose this, I have made them out of all thread and stuff before, because I have lost them in the past. Got your washer. Freaking puppies are running everywhere. They know what they're doing. All right, puppies. Okay. You want to get this in there. Make sure you get your drive belt on. Well, that's not even that tight, maybe. Yeah. So as long as it's all the way down, your thing will have plenty of room. If it doesn't, then you lift your deck up a little bit. It levels it out, and that's that. Let's go give her a drive real quick, little test drive. Little test drive. Okay. Test drive, buddy. It's one thing I have liked about this Cub Cadet. I mean, shoot, dude, $100. I have mowed the world with it. I tell you. Runs not amazing, but it runs. Oh, that's kind of scary. Okay. Okay. Whoa. See what we're working with. Rolling. Question is though, when I disengage it, does it pop off? Oh, we're good. So 96, it almost looks like, shoot, a 95 might actually fit it too. But yeah, 96 seems to work. So if you have that, 95 might fit it too. 95 would be awful tight, but I disengaged it and the belt didn't pop off. It wanted to. So yeah, 95 might work better, but it stayed in there and it worked. So yeah, 96, 95, but there you go. Thank y'all for watching. Become a member, support me and my family, you know, for more homestead tips, more homestead fun out here, East Texas, Washington, you know, multi-states. Getting done. That's a Sabre John Deere.